Hey guys, how you doing? Today we have a nice little video for you. We're going to climb inside the truck. And as you can see, got the door open. We're going to get inside and we're going to do some interior lights. So, hope you guys join me. Hope you enjoy. I love this upgrade. I'd say it's one of the main things that you need to do for any car is upgrade to LED interior. So, see you in a minute. Let's get started. A lot of overtime. I'm going to show you guys we're going to change these interior lights today. So you can see that there's a little clip on the side. You can get a screwdriver in there, or I have a body tool, or a body molding tool. So you pop that out, and then you have this little clip right here that clips in up there. And you just have to be careful because them two little prongs right there, they want to break off. So we take that out. Now we got to get our bulb out, right? Well, here's the trick that I use that works phenomenal. So take yourself a piece of duct tape and you wrap it around the bulb, and then you stick it on the bulb. Sometimes it takes a couple times because these bulbs, really get stuck in here. Wiggle it a little bit and pull your bulb out. You don't have to worry about trying to get your fingers in there. Then you take it, you peel your bulb off. Now you have spares. You can keep these in wherever you keep your spare bulbs, in a little box, in your glove box, wherever. And these are the bulbs that I'm going to be using. Let me get them in there upright for you. They're GTR lighting and they're LEDs. These things are phenomenal. So you can just take it and just to reverse. Pop it in. Then you take this little tab and you push that back up. You connect your other little tab on the side, pop it in, and like usual, they're polarity specific. So you take it out, take this out, you rotate it, you put it in. I should have checked it before I put it in, before I put the cover back on, but there you go. And that's how you replace the interior light. So I don't know if you guys can't see on that side. I'll get you switched over to the other side and we'll do the other side. Alright, here we are. We're back on the other side, and you can see the color difference from this one compared to the other one. So I can shut my other one off. So now same thing. You can see that there's a little clear spot right there. That's where the clip is that it's being held in by. So you just reach in there, pop the clip, then you have that same little double clip on the other side right there. You can see how fragile they are, and it's just a little piece of plastic. So now we're going to get our piece of duct tape again. Actually, I got stuff all over it because I set it on the carpeted floor. So now I'm just going to rip off another little piece of duct tape. Figure I would use my brown duct tape since it matched my interior. What do you think? So now, once again, I'm going to wrap it around the light bulb. and push it onto the light bulb. You can see it's on there. Then you just wiggle your bulb a little bit. There you go, it comes right out. Kind of like makes a little handle for it. And then you just peel it off. This time I'm going to use my smarticles, and I'm going to put these in. Can't hit the button. And I can't tell if I hit the button or not, so I gotta put this back in. Yep, I think I got that one in backwards again. There we go. And that's how you do that one. So now I'll get you guys transferred to the back, and I'll show you how I do the rear ones. So here we go. You can see we have 4 tabs here to get this off. So I'm going to start with the front ones. Just get your corner in there, pop it down. So let's shut them off. Because they're really not easy to get to. You can't really get your fingers on them. So rip off a piece of duct tape, wrap it around there, push it on the light bulb, pull it out. Take off this piece of duct tape and wrap it on this bulb. Wrap it on there, squeeze it on, pull it out. Right there, comes out easy every time. So now we take our 2 new bulbs and we pop it in. That one's on. Got lucky that time, guys. Put this one in. I got lucky twice in a row. So remember, you have that little clip there. Those clips, they're kind of almost they're like hooks, if you can see them, compared to the front ones are just like push clips. So hook them into the back. And doesn't want to go back in that way. So there you go. We have our lights. So as you can see, they're much brighter than the other ones. It's a nice bright white color. So there you go. That is how we change the interior lights in a Tundra. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it's going to help somebody. And you know, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Don't forget, hit the notification bell over there. And hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Keep trucking, guys.